YouTube, what's happening? Turbo TV. I am currently with AyooItsTj's, Young Lane Switchers, Daytona TV. I'm in my car by myself though, but you know what I'm saying? I got clean ass TJ over here, which y'all see in a second. Daytona over there, that nigga didn't even. Daytona the only nigga with a car that like to pull in parking spots straight. And then the nigga walks over here up on my car. Uh-oh. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Damn back doors unlocked. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, look, y'all, famous ass TJ. This nigga is childish, y'all. Oh, he talking shit. Hey, if you new, man, go subscribe. Go hit that bell notification. After you hit the bell, make sure you hit all. For my return to family, what's happening? But today I'm with TJ, man. TJ picking up something.
Yeah, I'm picking up a rap.
TJ picking up some rap.
I already paid for it.
I already paid for it, just got to pick it up. If you don't get your keys off my goddamn car, bitch. TJ is here to get his rap. We not gonna say what he doing or what his rap finna look like or not, none of that shit. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get other content today too, cause niggas be riding, you know, that's how it go, just wasting gas. So, yeah, I guess that's it. I'm gonna show y'all them being famous. Watch. Put your goddamn pants up. You on YouTube, bitch.
Stop looking at my shit, bitch.
That's gay. I'm not him.
You're dead.
Oh, you starting it already.
This is Turbo TV.
Y'all see that famous ass TJ? Let's zoom in on
You
it.
got them big old wheels on there.
Hey, yeah, zoom in on famous ass TJ. Look at it, y'all. Look at KD over there. Where's Savine?
In the back, the window down.
Hey, I am zoomed all the way in on you niggas. Hell yeah.
Well, you tuned in to Turbo TV.
Yes, sir.
This is my channel.
Oh, ooh, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Hey, let me show y'all these dirty ass vehicles. Well, mine dirty. TJ shit always clean. That bitch wash it every other day. I got pollen and shit. Look, y'all. Look at TJ clean ass car. This the only nigga I know that wash his car every other day. Every other day, y'all. There go them freaky ass boys right there. Hey, they was drunk in the motherfucker last night.
I wasn't drunk. I don't drink.
What?
Well, I was drink.
What?
See, I ain't wake up with no headache.
Me either. I'm good.
What she talking about? I needed some, what's that called?
BC.
Some BC. Nigga, I'm a whole nigga, boy.
Man, y'all go follow TJ. Just quit listening to them. And he getting out the car.
Hey, why take what I always say?
You know, go subscribe. You know, TJ is a rich dude. Yeah, look at this, y'all. Look, don't nobody do that.
Do what?
He makes sure you know who the hell he
I
is.
gotta put my tag on
You know what I'm saying? Nigga, it ain't like it's not personalized shit. And I'm over here dirty than a bitch. Dirty as fuck. Hey, I chrome deleted my car yesterday, y'all. Chrome delete. No more chrome, except on my mirrors. But that's how you know it's an S, so I'm leaving that shit there. But all the rest of that shit is now deleted. I want to wash my car, but it's supposed to rain all week, so what's the point? Look at these famous guys recording. Yeah, y'all, we have fellas picking up rap. So now y'all know my secret of where I get my rap from and all of that. Y'all don't know how to get my price, so it don't really matter. But anyway, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Nah, who just say your name? They know who you are, but
TJ, brother.
yes, sir. AyooItsTj's.
AyooItsTj's.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Jesus and Christ.
No, you're not.
Zaytona
I'm gonna slap you.
Who are you?
I'm Life is GQ. Oh shit.
Gifted and qualified, baby.
Yeah. Oh, this boy Mozzie. I ain't got my Hellcat today, but yeah, that's me. That's me.
I didn't put up on the wrong niggas. Look, y'all, look.
I was looking at something.
He's famous. They say exactly. They said, oh, it's famous as TJ. We ain't gonna give him no ticket. Look at dude, he nervous. Don't be scared, brother. It's just Negroes. Just Negroes. Yes, sir, we're here.
What's happening, fellas?
Well, there we go. I like that. What's going on, brother?
What's up?
Man,
What kind of group are we with today?
YouTubers, brother.
YouTubers?
Yeah,
Right on,
you
y'all.
going on YouTube, brother.
Or y'all review?
I just ordered a wrap today.
Yeah, he actually here to pick up with.
Okay, what's the name?
Tavon.
Tavon?
Now
Okay.
you gotta crop that out.
No, yeah, you just edited that.
No
There you
edit,
go.
no edit.
We won't say the last name. Well, I'll let
Let's
you
see.
check it over and make sure.
They get all this, they get everything right. You call it in, get your order right, they cut it and all that good stuff. And then when you come pick it up, this is what it looks like.
Yes, sir. You sign right down there, and then this will be your.
Never come here and look like that. But yeah, it's wrap. All of that is wrap. All of that back there is wrap. This company, Oracle, is usually the color flipping shit. But yeah, it's major. My man back there working right now. But yeah, that's all y'all get to see, man. That is it. But y'all make sure y'all come up here. That's where my rap came from. What happened?
Got a box. Now I got a bag.
You gonna go?
Alright, you didn't need the answer. And we got you on video that there. Oh, there you go.
Pretty much everything you need. Like, so, yeah.
Why is y'all always out without me? See, I swear to God.
Where you think we at?
It don't matter. I don't want to be in the fucking house.
Why you cussing on my YouTube?
Cause, bro. Damn.
Cause bro, what?
I don't like being in this house.
We don't like being in the house either. We in the garage.
Yeah, okay, I want to be in the garage.
Let's go outside and go get in the garage.
I don't got a garage. Oh, my car would have been in the garage.
Bitch.
At least for Max, huh?
Yeah. Well, here go TJ, famous ass. That's ready.
Why am I never picked up?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't
Oh
want
jeez,
to
oh jeez. Hey, yeah, it's how the famous people look. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, yeah, man. Turbo
Aim it at me.
TV.
Oh, no. We got a problem here.
Too big, huh?
And it's not riding the back seat for me. You know what? So you have to take that whole strap it to the room.
See this, listen, y'all. This is the life of a famous rich nigga. We got subs, ATM bags everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's just famous nigga shit. He trying to figure this out. He better
Gonna
not.
be wrinkled.
Jesus, the wind.
It won't fit, so we're going to put this turbo car.
I don't know what to
Yeah, you put it in there.
do. You just caught the rain.
Look. Slide across the seat.
Hey, make sure you edit that out.
Nope. I'm not editing that shit. I'm letting everything ride. Yeah.
I'm talking about my cousin.
I'm letting everything. You better quit commenting. You better quit commenting, boy. I ain't edited nothing. However this shit record, I'm just gonna put. I'm putting it straight
all
out.
that in there.
I'm leaving it in
I
there.
got kids on my subscribers.
Yeah, it's kids friendly.
Yo, he didn't say nothing.
I know what.
So we still gonna wait on them? Or what we gonna do? I think I'm just
Hold
gonna at the house.
Nah, hold on. What they do?
Tippy toe, bro. They tippy toe, brother. He tippy toe riding. I'm like, man, you go white love. I'm a tippy toe riding.
So y'all, we out here at my house. We got TJ. We about to wash the car. We got to really get. I mean, the car really wasn't that dirty. It's just whenever y'all, you know what I'm saying, wrapping your car, man, the car needs to be clean. For real, he should be clay barring it too. But TJ keep his car clean. So,
For no reason, just sitting in the garage.
so for all of y'all that never seen it before, cause I ain't never seen it.
I already know that man like that.
TJ is for real washing his car, y'all.
And picking the dirt off, bro.
TJ, better, did you go back in that bucket?
He bougie.
Nah, I didn't go that.
Yeah, go back in that bucket, brother.
Yeah, he bougie. He want to pick it. He like this. No, I'm wiping it. I'm gonna go get it. Yeah.
So, I mean, y'all seen everybody earlier. Now we got, who are you, sir?
I'm Bust Down, sir. Bust Down Space Kings. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, I'm
you
gonna pull up
spell
on
it for them so they can make sure.
BUSSDOWN space KING, brother.
There we go. I put everybody's. You'll see their name at the bottom whenever you see their face.
Don't be disrespectful. Don't fast forward to all that, brother. You gotta watch the whole video.
Yeah, please watch that video. Ain't no point in us out here working like this and y'all just fast forwarding through video. What's the IG, brother?
Oh man, it's KD Cheatham 6_.
Yes, sir.
Get me, young lane switches, man.
Yes, sir. What's the name, sir? What's the name, sir? The IG.
My bad, I froze for a second.
What's the IG, brother?
7 chicken strips. 7 chicken strips with a Z at the end.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, sir.
Look, y'all, Daytona is actually working today. Look, that nigga's a YouTuber today.
You recording the thing?
Today. Y'all, my mama is in house mode. Y'all don't worry about it. But y'all see this? I need to be washing mine for real.
Yeah, Mom Duke said she gonna get it done today. She watching her shows.
Yeah.
What happened?
The other night, yeah.
No, she gonna be in there watching Mari and Jerry Springer right now. Later on is.
I don't do that. I do Fatal Attraction.
Well, you might well watch this then.
No, she trying to teach you. She trying to learn how motherfuckers be acting stupid. Oh, jeez. Oh, YouTube. Look, y'all, Zay is fancy.
Y'all just said he got the
The
most.
nigga don't even know how to use
He ain't
it.
got one of these, brother. The Walmart edition. He got the Target.
Yeah, he broke his.
That's the Target. I bet it's twirl around though.
Yeah, that's a gimbal.
Oh, brother, you hot cake. How much you pay?
You ready?
Yeah, I gotta start rinsing before it dry off again.
Yes, sir. Oh, my fault.
Oh, no, you good.
Look, y'all, the nigga, he rinses too.
You gotta record all of
Hey, yeah, he rinses too. This is a video all in itself. TJ washes his car for the first goddamn time. I know it ain't the first time.
Y'all see you washing my car.
Oh, I know it. As clean as this thing be all the time, I already know. Yeah, like I said, TJ car always clean, so this ain't really nothing new. TJ better touch this roof. You better rinse that roof, nigga. All that soap gonna be right back on you. Say, man, we at the house, man. TJ washing his. Mine over there in the garage. Zay toes in. Bust down. Hey, don't be scared to get wet. Y'all be too scared to get wet. Y'all gotta enjoy the good life. Huh? You get wet life. What you said? What you said?
The only man on the block.
Hey, everybody recording. Y'all edit my goddamn address out y'all video.
Oh, I ain't got none of that.
I bet you got my address because you was up there recording this car, nigga, looking back.
They can pull up.
That's
what I be doing.
Freaking what?
They can pull up. They ain't gonna like it though.
They ain't not gonna leave either. They not gonna leave how they came.
We were looking for Turbo. He don't leave it.
Matter of fact, yeah, y'all come down here, y'all want to. We keep them on deck, yes sir. And we know.
The only person on the block house was paid for. That's why I'm the king right here. Yeah, you're the king, huh?
Big facts. Yeah. So, yeah, we
Right here, bro.
nigga, please. We making designs right now. So the process we taking, we're gonna get the designs how TJ like them. I know y'all can barely see. Get the designs how he like them, and then cut these out. And then, you know what I'm saying, basically trace the wrap on this. So we cut these out, put it on top of the wrap, and cut the wrap. And then placement all over the car. Oh, sorry y'all. Superwoman is here now. She done made it to the building. That's her car, the white one. But yeah, so we finna start the process. Man, so we just finished TJ's car. Y'all know I do the rap, so we tried something different. He didn't want to look like a cow, so we didn't go too far, but man, to me, that thing came out. We even got it on the pillars and everything. We did the door handles, did everything. Trunk is done. It ain't too much, it ain't too little. So they ain't down there working. Young lane switch is working, baby. Hey, yeah. I'm tired as hell. I ain't even sleepy. I'm just like exhausted, man. But yeah, this is TJ's car, man. This is the new AyooItsTj's. It's the new one. We went with the satin black because, as y'all know, they come with satin black already and on the roof. So that was already on the car. We didn't do that, but we did everything to match it. So no, don't post on Snap because them niggas be on that shit too. Don't do that. Especially, you can do it, just don't put his name. Don't put his name or his license plate. You hear me? Just don't get his name or his license plate. You can put it on Snap. All this is fine. But yeah, man, we can't wait to see it in the daytime. Y'all will be seeing that.
Well, that whole gorgeous.
Oh, at the same time, y'all, we did put the tire stickers on there too. So TJ look like he chopping now. What you think, bro?
Motherfucker hard, man.
Hey, what you
They
think?
don't even look like no cow.
What you think?
Oh, sexy. Oh, I gotta go back over again, bro.
Beyond sexy.
You gotta hide your face now. You just gonna be.
What you think, bro? I ain't even in your face. Cause I get up in here.
Just don't get the
Man, that whole gorgeous, bro. That's how I work.
All right, get the man working. What you think, bro?
I love it.
I was down there with you, damn it. Don't run away.
Man, well, let's go back down
All right, what you think?
I love it.
All right. TJ, what you think of your own shit, bro?
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
It came out nice, man. Y'all see it when it's clean and rolling in the daytime.